Hello everyone, I am Jonas, and together with Johannes here beside me, we are the authors of Reinforcement Learning Explained. It took over a year to write this book, and it's built on more than a decade of experience.
Reinforcement learning is often seen as a difficult and esoteric topic. This book changes that. This is the book we wish we had when we started learning reinforcement learning.
Reinforcement Learning Explained is written for beginners. It only requires basic math and some programming experience. The focus is on applying reinforcement learning, not abstract theory. For example, it fits well with any engineering education. It is also suitable for professionals who want to learn reinforcement learning. The book includes dozens of coded examples and 100 worked-out exercises. The initial code-based examples are simple grid world problems designed to reinforce fundamental concepts. Later in the book, more advanced problems are introduced with clear explanations of how various algorithms are applied to solve them. You'll learn everything from classic tabular Q learning to more modern methods like advantage actor critic and AlphaZero. The worked examples resemble those commonly found in mathematics and engineering courses, manually solved step-by-step problems. Here is one such example, illustrating the concept of explorative action selection. These examples help the reader quickly develop intuition. Do you want to know more? Please visit the book's homepage.